Who is it? What's that, G?
Yes, just a moment. Oh, hello, baby. I'm glad we're able to talk with the help of my portable North Pole console. I was doing some work on my sleigh. I need to make sure that everything is in perfect shape for my great flight around the world. It's going to be a long night. I bet you want to know if you made it onto my nice list this year. Am I right? We'll find out soon enough. Here, in my huge library, I have a book about every child. Now let's see. Where is it? Ah, here's yours. Now, let's see what it says in your big book.
Jiji.
You're 4 years old, aren't you? And you have a babysitter. Oh, you had a very special birthday, didn't you? And Santa was very proud of you that day. And if you're on my nice list,
Jiji, look at the screen.
Whether
Come on.
you're home or somewhere else during the holidays. Do you think you've been good since last Christmas? I know this year you've been asked to try your very best to be nice to your sister.
He said be nice to your sister.
We'll soon find out if you've tried hard enough.
He's gonna find out you tried hard enough.
Come with me.
Jiji, pay attention to the
I'm going to
video.
show you the most secret place in my whole family.
G.
It's here in the elf's workshop that all the magic happens. Santa knows that there's a special gift you've been hoping for, like a certain toy. We better go check if you're on the nice list.
Jiji, face the screen. Beep beep boy. Come on.
Baby, my elves will run your file through our special machine. Oh, hello. Go get the file, please.
They're gonna go get the file. They're checking, G. Gigi's gonna find out. Gigi. 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 Oh, what did you get, Gigi? Red light. No cat toy.
Oh, it would seem that you're not in a nice mood yet. You really have to try to do better.
His mouth was like open. He's like, oh no, I'm on the naughty list.
Santa knows you can do it.
Do you hear what he said? You have to try to do a lot better before Christmas. But if you keep doing bad, you'll get coal. What do you think, G? How will you feel? How will you feel, G? Sad. You gotta try to do a lot better. Okay? He's on the naughty list.